How to disable background apps on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you deactivate background applications in your Windows 11. So if you found this instructional video helpful, please consider subscribing, and once you have done so, please also consider giving it a thumbs up. So let's dive right into the steps. The first step is to disabling the background apps on Windows 11 is to open up the settings. To do this, navigate to the bottom of your computer and right-click on the Windows Start button and click on Settings. If you're unable to locate it, simply search for the App Settings and Documents and try to find it there. Once you're in the settings, head over to the left-hand side and click on Apps. At the top, you will see either Apps and Features or Installed Apps. Click on there to view all of your apps on your computer. And now I'll explain how to disable the background activity of these apps. Keep in mind that not all the apps will allow you to do this. For example, if I wanted to disable background activity for OnePass, I would click on the three dots on the right hand side and simply click on it. If I don't see the advanced option settings, it is likely because OnePass does not run in the background. However, if I scroll down to an app, I will click on the three dots on the right hand side or select the advanced option setting, and then for the apps that do not have this option, click on the advanced option and then navigate to where it says background app submissions. Here you can choose to let the app run in the background and always power optimized or never. If you want the app to never run in the background, simply select never. You can then go back to the installed apps and find another app for which you may want to change the settings. This is how you can disable the background apps on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.